Welcome students. Today I am going to present topic on branding. Before understanding the concept branding, we should know about the brand. What is brand? Brand is a name, brand is a term, brand is a symbol, or brand is a design, or it is a combination of name, term, symbol and design, which is intention to identify the goods or services of one seller or group of sellers, and it differentiates from the competitor's product. For example, Lux soap, Usha fan, Godrej furniture, Parker pen. Next, what's the meaning of branding? Branding is the process of giving a trade name or a brand to a product to distinguish one product from the other similar product manufactured by the competitors. For example, 501 bar soap, Pilot pen, etc. What are the objectives of this branding? Yes, there are many objectives of branding. First one, to provide product identification. We can identify the product very easily. To induce the product differentiation, we can make our product different from the others' product. To create consumer preference for a product. And finally, to achieve the greater control over the market. What are the importance and advantages of this branding? There are three important advantages to the three different people. One is advantages to the manufacturers, advantages to the middlemen or dealers, and advantages to the customers. First one, advantages to the manufacturers. It gives individuality to the products of a manufacturer, means it differentiates the product. Second one, the product individuality is helpful to the manufacturer in getting consumer preference for his product, and it enables a manufacturer to reduce the advertising and other sales promotion expenses, because brand itself, it makes the product very popular, and it helps manufacturer to eliminate wholesaler from the chain of distribution, so it reduces his distribution expenses, and it enables a manufacturer to control the price of his product and helps to increase the demand for his product. Finally, it helps to introduce the new products in the market. And how it helpful to middleman or dealers, and how it useful to the middleman or dealers. It helps the wholesaler and retailers to sell the products without much effort, because there is a general preference for branded goods by the consumer. Wholesaler and the retailers need not spend much time on purchase and sale of branded goods, because the branded goods can be bought and sold without actual inspection. And branded goods can be easily advertised, easily displayed, and less risk because they can be sold easily. And it helps in creating stabilized demand for the branded goods. And finally, it advantages or useful to the consumers. Branding assures quality goods to the consumers, and consumers get protection against the damage or spoilage, and the consumer can get branded goods at fixed prices, and they can get the goods very easily, and it's packed here, cannot adulterated by middleman, unadulterated goods to the consumers, and get products of uniform standard and design. Finally, we can maintain the stability in the price, means no one can change the price very easily. Now discuss the methods of branding. There are 4 important methods under branding. Using the name of manufacturer. For example, Godrej furniture. Here they used the name of manufacturer, Godrej. And Bata shoes. Here they used the name of manufacturer, that is Bata, and Tata hair oil, etc. Second one is using a special name. For example, Hamam Soap, 7 o'clock blade, a 7 o'clock, that is a special name they are given for their product. And the third one is using a number, 555 bar soap, 501 bar soap, etc. And finally, using a special symbol or design. For example, Camel brand ink, money brand, tooth powder, etc. Next, we have to discuss about the different branding strategy. The first strategy is single brand product strategy. It refers to the use of single brand name by a concern for all the products sold by it, whether the brand name is that of a family or firm or individual. For example, Godrej uses a single brand, that is Godrej, for all the product. Second one, multi-brand product strategy. It refers to practice of offering each product in a product category under separate brand. For example, Hindustan Liver Limited offers Lux soap, Pears under separate brand name. The third one is distributors or private brand strategy. Here, the manufacturer may often to induce his products under a distributor's brand name. Here, there is a reason for adoption the distributor's brand name. One is manufacturer is not sure of quality of his new product and he does not have any confidence in the ability of his product to meet the customer's desire. In this case, they can give the distributor's name to the particular product, and when there is a lack of finance or the marketing network, they can give the distributor's name. And the fourth one is mixed brand strategy. Here, the manufacturer offers his product to the customers partly under his name and partly under distributor's brand name. Why they adopted this mixed brand strategy? Reasons are lack of confidence in new introduced product, and manufacturer requires the dealer's support for the introduction of new product. Then the manufacturer, they can adopt the mixed brand strategy. And finally, trading up and trading down strategy. Trading up means marketer knows for marketing low price products, introduces products with higher price and higher quality. And what is the meaning of trading down? Marketer knows for marketing high price products and high quality products, introduces products with low price and low quality. Now, I would like to conclude the topic by saying that branding, it is very important to popularize the product and gain the profits. Thank you.